Hello everybody, I'm glad to present to you the state of the work for Word Package 5, and I begin my presentation with a presentation of state of art in video offline. I would have liked to be with you in person in Montenegro, but administrative difficulty did not permit to me to make travel. I'm sorry, but I begin my presentation with this video. First, I would like to speak about the agenda, and this agenda is organized on presentation of state-of-art document, but after this presentation I would like to present the Word Package 5 approach, because this Word Package 5 approach is an original approach, because it's a combination of theoretical approach and operational purpose. In the theoretic part of Word Package 5, you can find three elements: the state of art, the technical guideline, and the legal issue on the problematic of license to the data, and other legal problematic in about the subject of open data. The operational approach for W5 Word Package 5 it's to build a portal on technical guideline specification, and to make a federative index to give an interoperability between the portal and between the data. And this interoperability open to the hackathon session, and the two hackathon sessions are defined on Word Package 5. In introduction, I describe the main goal for the state of art is to give to you a vision of a type of open data architecture, and define the technical reference of open data platform. This work describe the existent platform and different technical solutions available on the Homer project partner, or on the world open data project. This set of art provide a reference document, a bibliography, and different support to make to you a vision, a global vision to technical aspect and technical good practice in the open data world today. The methodology to make a state of art is based on first work made in meeting for Ajaccio. In this meeting, we make review matrix. We define technical issue and objective and theme of open data project, and with this matrix we make a model of open data technical architecture, and you can see on this slide the transposition of the matrix to open data technical architecture. This technical architecture is very important to the structure of all the document for the work package 5, state of art and technical guideline. You can see the details of architecture in this slide, and this slide is very important because this support is the aim of the core and the core of all the document of Work Package 5. About the structure of document of state of art, I can explain to you the template. This template is the structure or each element of open data technical model, and each element is described with this template. This template contain the place of the subject, detailed on the reference chart, the context and purpose, state of art of existing solution, add value for experience of each owner partner, recommendation taken from different study for open data, and reference and bibliography. With this two structure, model of technical architecture and template, we can define the state-of-art document. The version it's the 1.3, and for this meeting, this version 1.3 is the first final version of state-of-art. This first final version is delivered for you for Montenegro meeting. Obviously, updates are possible till the end of the HOMER project. The summary of the document, is both the state of art is both didactic and technical, and you can find on this document 11 big chapters based on the architectural model, and this 11 chapters structure the essential part of the state of art document. For conclusion on state of art, I can explain that this state of art is an important draw because this draw open the reflection on technical guideline, and also this work enable to have a reference document that make the technical point on the architecture, standard and existing platform in the field of open data. It also enables to harmonize the level of technical understanding among different partners and to define the first technical reference framework about open data project. Of course, the state of art it is built with your collaboration, with an interactive dialogue between the leader of Work Package 5, the Corsica, and you, and it's very important to have a feedback for you on this document to finalize this version and to complete the approach for technical aspects. My presentation it's ending now, but I show you after this presentation a demonstration of a video of demonstration for the portal for the Corsica. This portal is a result of theoretic approach of Work Package 5. Thank you very much, and excuse me another time for this video mode of offline. Thank you.